Hi guys, I'm Elena. Today let's see how to shorten the hem to the trouser. After taking the measurements, cut the excess part minus 4 cm for 2 cm seam. Now cut. Then sew twice, turning at 2 centimeters. Our pants are ready. I hope this video is useful to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and visit my website eliamoda.it. See you next week with a new video.